We're at Sid's Coffee House at Circle Square Commons on top of the World Shopping and live event area. How you doing? And we're gonna head to the front entrance of On Top of the World, the original entrance. You could go take a left, go to Southwest 80th Avenue, and exit On Top of the World. We're technically out on the public access area. This is Candler Hills Golf Course to our left. Now I'm going to take the multi-purpose path, avoid the gate. This is all public access right here. We're on top of the good Circle Square Commons. You guys. Okay. Thank you. Let me go. Chandler Hills. And that's the entrance to Chandler Hills. Multi-purpose path. There are golf courses on the right and the left. You see the gates. Gotta have a gate pass and a sticker at the top left of your window. Chandler Hills Golf Club is here. You can enter without actually entering Chandler Hills. The gate went up. Another car. That's the gated area here. The golf course is to easy access, and the Whistling Duck restaurant is easy access. Of course, I'm sure the golf course you might have to believe you can be the general public can enter the golf course. I don't play golf, so it's not my thing. But we're going to show you the entrance, the original entrance on Top of the World. This is a newer part. Chandler Hills. It's a multi-purpose golf cart walking. How you doing? That was cool, Mike. Fantastic coming. Access from Southwest 80th Avenue. But we're going to be heading to the front entrance, which is at 200, Highway 200. Miles per hour sign. Still more golf course, right? you doing? There we go. Could it be another e-bike? Yep. Not missing out. How you doing? Appreciate it. Go on, hit it, do I? Good. Multi-purpose path. These neighborhoods are a little older. You can tell about the bigger trees. When we get close to the original entrance, those neighborhoods don't have multi-path because they didn't think of it back then. Back in the dark ages. That may be another e-bike. Get left out on the e-bike. The arbors are ahead, and the trains are model center. Yeah. Got a golf cart going. Slipping around. Gotta check your rearview mirror with the golf carts. Come up with them. You gotta stay in your lane. Neighborhoods here, so we got high bushes. Relatively quiet traffic, 25 miles per hour, so it's not a big deal. Big thick bushes, not gonna be a problem for lights or anything. Okay, this is where our multi-path is going to end, and the old neighborhood begins. Here at Southwest 90th Street, you've got a double dog park. You've got an outdoor fitness area. You can do some stuff. We'll not ride around. I got another video where I ride around that. But you might be able to see some outdoor fitness. Chandler Hills, welcome home. So outdoor fitness. Dog parks here. 2 dog parks, one for big dogs, one for little. And if you got a medium size, you do your own judgment. And now we're on the painted multi-use part of the road in the old neighborhood. See the cracks. You see, this is old. Big trees. Golf carts. They have sidewalk to the side. fine. You look over at the doggies, the dog park. There's several dog parks on top of the world. Usually just have the small and medium, the small and the large park area fenced off to keep the dogs separate a little bit. And then you use your own judgment for a medium-sized dog, I guess. Or they might have a sign. The older style homes. The trees. Got a golf cart coming. Hopefully they'll pass in the street. Looks like all these houses have a back lanai, which is like a screened porch, kind of a wall in Florida. You gotta have a lanai to keep the bugs away. And you sit and you get the breeze, and it's covered on the roofs area, so you got that shade. Coasting. Nice and easy. And since this is irrelevant because it opens up again at the other end. I'll stop. And go. Golf cart coming on the road. Passy. There's a lot of bug treatment here. Because you're heated and air conditioned, they're the main ones to call. You don't want to take a chance on some third-party person. On Top of the World usually recommends parties that they recommend, and then you avoid the rest of them because they could be trying to cheat you a little bit. Better to have some reputable person that has to keep a good reputation in this area. Doesn't want bad reviews, doesn't want to be told on Top of the World something negative happened too much. You know what I'm saying? It's nasty for your termites and bugs, and something cool for your heat and air conditioning. Those trucks are all over the place in here. They're the ones to call. Most of them did your termite on your new home, and most of them did your heat and air conditioning. Different neighborhoods have different HOAs, so check that out and know where you want to live. This is a much older area. This is the original area. Softball fields and more pickleball courts. Things are on. Take a right here. Veterans Park is right here. Back there. It's back there. Let's see. There we go. Keep going. We'll get you to the front entrance. does a lot of the electrical. It's through them all the time. Check in. When we first came here, they had a live person. I'm not sure if they just have speakers now or not. I had to deal with at the all access, so we just kind of passed through. One side's for residents so they can get their sticker on their car. And we're here. This is the main entrance. Friendship Center parking and shopping area is to the right here, and on the left you've got your way to the Publix and Dunkin' Donuts. On the left is Cody's Roadhouse, popular favorite. And the road ahead is 200. The entrance to the original entrance of Top of the World. I live at Wayborn Landing neighborhood, which is, we usually take the southwest entrance unless we've gone to get food at a Mexican restaurant over here on the right or something like that. We might shortcut through the neighborhood, take a nice drive. That's it. That's our tour. The highway 200 is straight ahead. See that there? Turning basically the Ocala Pharmacy and the Wawa to get in.